with glow tips, glow chat, glow fun. Knowing to who we belong, we grow in beauty, wiser and strong. Glow up and see who you can be. Glow up.
Hi, Glow Getters! How y'all doing? Long time no see. I'm Kajiri, and this is Ayana.
Hi guys.
And this is Adventures in Faith, and we are on the road, and we're gonna pick up Vanessa. So just stay tuned. Let me show y'all the road. Okay guys, so we are now arriving at our location. So we're almost there, and then Vanessa is going to meet us there. So let me show you. Not a secret.
I don't know who you were
It's not a secret, but we're going over here to Sovereign Village, Portmore, and we're gonna go get some ice cream. Well, Ayana wants yogurt, so let's see what
you know?
let's see what we do. Ice cream, yogurt, I don't know. Let's see. Okay guys, so we are now at Portmore Sovereign Village. I don't know if you can see the sign. And we have Vanessa! So we're gonna explore. We're gonna go and explore, so we're gonna take you along. It's important to spend time with other people. It's important to get out of the house every now and again. Just go out for a ride. Just get a ice cream, or go for a drink with your friends and that kind of thing. Because COVID has been really hard on a lot of people, and so some of us have forgotten the fun that we used to have, or the little things that we used to do to wind down out of trying to practice precautions and be safe. However, there's a way to be safe and still glow up and still have fun. It's good for you to sometimes get out of the house and go for a little walk, just go for a little drive out, just get some fresh air, a change of scenery. It's important, and it's also important to be kind to people. A lot of persons are home alone, or they're not in the best home environment, and so sometimes things are a little hard and people can become a little crassy, I guess, because they don't feel loved, or persons don't demonstrate any acts of love or kindness towards them. But love is a practical thing, and Christianity is a practical thing, and Jesus was practical while he was here on earth. And I think as glow getters and as persons who glow up with God and glow up with just the way we operate in the world, it's important for us to show kindness. If you have a pair of shoes that probably doesn't fit you, that you could give it to somebody else who might need the shoe, give the shoe to the person. If the person is probably experiencing a hard time financially, and you might have a little extra cash. We know cash is hard to come by in these times, but you might just have a little bit extra. So we have our tutti frutti, so we're gonna head to the car and sit and eat, and then we're gonna stretch our feet a little bit more, because we just eat up the little sweet, so we're gonna work it off a little bit. This is Garth, everybody. So Garth is our new subscriber. It's important for us to show love. It's important for us to be kind to the people that we meet and interact with on a day-to-day basis. It was so much fun getting into the house and meeting up with the GlowUP girls We had a good time. Glow up by being kind. Glow up by showing love. Glow up by just being a good person. Play.
I don't know if I would want it. Insane. Too extra. Okay, Glow Getters, that was the end of our little outing. Get your friends who support you and who you can just talk with from time to time and just give encouraging words.
Yeah.
You don't have to do it by yourself, you can do it by subscribing to the Glow.
Yeah. So remember, mental health is important. Take care of yourself. Take care of the people that you love. Treat yourself. Spend some time with people. You know, put on your mask and go get little tutti frutti.
Even go for a drive.
A little
It
drive.
costs you nothing more than a little gas.
Or a little walk. Yeah. A little walk. So I'm Kadre.
I'm Vanessa. I'm Ayana.
And don't forget to glow up and see
Who you can be
on the Glow Up.